Hello everyone, I am Mr. Syediftikharuddingilani and you are watching my YouTube channel lawscholar. Today I will discuss with you that how to become a lawyer. There are three basic steps for becoming a lawyer. The first is to pass the law graduation degree, that is LLB or Juris Doctors if you live in USA. And the next step after passing your law graduation degree is to pass your local or state bar examination and complete the duration or period of apprenticeship and pupillage in some countries. And the third and last one step is to apply for the lessons to appear before the courts of law and to represent your clients. These three are the basic steps in all over the world for becoming a lawyer, but the only difference is in the procedure of the bar examination and the licensing process in different countries and also in different states of the same country. Now we will come to the next topic that we have to discuss today, is that why to become a lawyer. What are the reasons for becoming a lawyer? What are the reasons to choose law as a profession? When someone wants to choose a profession or a professional degree, when he wants to get admission in a degree program or steps in his university or professional college's life, he should have some reasons. In this way, when you want to become a lawyer, you must have in your mind some reasons. These reasons may be that there are high demands of the lawyers in the society. The lawyers are well educated and very essential members of the society. They have excellent job security. They are intelligent, respected, and influential, and also well-paid professionals. They have ample opportunities for giving legal aid to poor peoples or to help them, or also to protect their rights. They fight for human rights and justice. They also shape laws. Thank you for your patience hearing.